Hey everyone, if your Wix website's mobile menu has mysteriously disappeared, don't worry. You're definitely not alone, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have your mobile menu back up and running, making sure your site looks great and functions perfectly, no matter what device visitors are using. Let's jump right in and get your menu restored. First things first, go ahead and open up your Wix Web Design Editor. This is where all the magic happens for your site and where you'll be able to control what people see on both desktop and mobile. If you're already familiar with the editor, great, but if not, don't worry, just make sure you're logged into Wix and your site is open in the editor view. I know this part might seem obvious, but sometimes when we're troubleshooting, double-checking the basics can save a lot of headache later. Now at the top of the editor, you'll see the option to switch to the mobile view. Click on Switch to Mobile. This step is crucial because Wix treats the mobile version of your website separately from your desktop design. So if something looks right on desktop, it doesn't always mean it's working on mobile. Switching views shows you exactly what your mobile visitors are experiencing. Take a moment to look around and see what might be missing, especially that menu. Once you're looking at your mobile layout, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll find a section called Hidden on Ahead and click on this. Think of this section like a storage closet for anything that's currently set to invisible on mobile devices. Wix sometimes hides elements automatically if your layout gets cramped or if you accidentally moved something off screen while editing. It can be a little confusing, but this section is where all those hidden pieces are kept. In this Hidden on Mobile area, look through the list of elements that aren't showing up on your mobile site. What we're interested in here is your menu. Find your menu item in the list. Sometimes it's called Site Menu or just Menu, depending on how you've set things up. If you don't see it right away, take your time and scroll through the options. It's easy to overlook if you have lots of widgets or custom buttons. When you found your menu in the list, simply click Show Menu. This action will instantly restore the menu bar to your mobile site. You'll see it reappear in the layout preview, and from here you can drag it to exactly where you want it on your mobile design. I always like to do a quick check to make sure it's not overlapping with any other features. Sometimes the menu can pop up in a spot that covers text or images, but you can just click and drag it back to the top or side as needed. And there you have it. Your mobile menu should be visible again, making navigation easy for every visitor using a phone or tablet. Before you finish, remember to preview your site and make sure everything looks smooth, and then hit Publish to save your changes. I hope this tutorial helped you get your mobile menu back in action. If you ran into any issues along the way or have a question about Wix features, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more web design tips and easy fixes. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.